Shericka Jackson wins women's 100-meter Diamond League title. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Shericka Jackson produced a phenomenal performance in the women's 100-meter to take care of her first leg of her sprint double attempt at the Diamond League final on Saturday at the Hayward Field. The Jamaican clocked 10.70 seconds to stun world champion Sha'Carri Richardson of the USA, who could not manage to keep up and had to settle for fourth in a time of 10.80 seconds. Jackson got a solid start, then powered to the first and then able to hold off the field. The Diamond League title came 2 weeks after Jackson clocked silver behind Sha'Carri Richardson at the World Athletics Championship in Budapest, Hungary. Jackson will be back again in action on Sunday when she will compete in the women's 200-meter and will aim towards Florence Griffith's Jonah record of 21.34 seconds set in 1988. She now has the final opportunity which to break the world record in 2023. Jackson was just 0.07 seconds away from the mark when she blazed the victory in the final at Budapest, setting a second fastest time in history of 21.41 seconds in the process. We here at Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to comment this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.